It started like a normal night. Then the ground shook, and in minutes, an entire city was gone. In 1906, San Francisco was one of the fastest-growing cities in America. Busy streets, expanding neighborhoods, a city full of energy and opportunity. But beneath it all, pressure had been building for years along the San Andreas Fault. No one knew how close it was to breaking. On April 18, 1906, it finally happened. A massive earthquake tore through the city. Buildings collapsed instantly. Roads cracked open. Entire blocks were destroyed in seconds. But the shaking wasn't the end. It was only the beginning. Fires broke out across San Francisco. With water lines destroyed, firefighters struggled to contain them. The flames spread rapidly, burning for days. What the earthquake didn't destroy, the fire did. By the end, most of the city was gone. Thousands of buildings were lost. Hundreds of thousands of people were left homeless. The damage was overwhelming. But even in the destruction, the city didn't disappear. People stayed. They rebuilt, stronger than before. In just minutes, everything changed. But from the ashes, a city rose again. Follow for more history.